Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, which of the following hypothetical clause in the UAW Ford contract would be an example of illegal consideration? A worker receive one paid sick day per month. B. Management is permitted to monitor workers' time sheets to ensure that they arrived at the factory on time. C. Workers agree not to sabotage machinery when they want to express their displeasure with management. D. Full-time workers agree to work overtime when their managers ask them to do so. And the answer of the question is the hypothetical clause in the UAW Ford contract that would be an example of illegal consideration is C. Workers agree not to sabotage machinery when they want to express their displeasure with management. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.